A lot of people import from China without ever seeing where their products are made. Most of the time, everything happens online. The pictures, videos, WhatsApp status, WhatsApp chats, and so on. The problem is that not every factory online is actually a factory. Some are trading companies, some only show samples that don't reflect real production. And once payment is made, that's where issues usually start. You will get quality problems, delays, or complete silence. And sometimes, or most times, most of them are scam. Because I live in China, I don't rely on what I'm told online. Over the time, I've dealt with and worked around with many factories for customers. In some cases, I physically visit the factory to confirm its real production sites, see what is actually being produced, and check the quality of the product before payment is made. In this video, I'll be sharing clips from a few of those factories I've visited and recorded, not for content, but because customers needed confirmation before moving forward. Factory visits changes everything. You're no longer guessing who you're paying. You can now see the materials, the machineries, the machines, the equipment, the workers, and even the scale of production before making payments. It reduces risks, it prevents misunderstanding, and it helps buyers avoid expensive mistakes that could have been avoided earlier. Importation isn't just about finding cheap products and cheap prices online. It's about knowing who you're dealing with, understanding timing, and verifying quality before money leaves your account. Not everyone can come to China, that's understandable, to do this themselves. But having someone on ground matters. That's the essence, that's the reason why having a trusted body present in China to help you verify your goods, verify your products, visit factories is important. Someone who can verify factories, check quality, confirm quantity, and give you clarity before you commit. That's the kind of support I provide. I visit factories, I visit companies, and I check everything from the beginning to the end. I check the cost of production, I check the scale of production, I check how long, I verify how long it takes for a product to be produced. I even confirm the shipping and everything. Those are the kind of services we provide.
This is how engine oil is being made, from blend to bottle to packaging to everything.
Production.
我们去坐一下，去办公室坐一下。
Send me the video.
你的这个朋友多少岁了？
对吗？
啊，
这个，
Here we have thousands of cars available. Can send to Nigeria, any country of your choice. Beautiful, beautiful cars. Yeah, show them the ambience. Exactly. This sports edition, Chanchen 2022 model. Very beautiful car. So any car you want, any car, any model, we are here for you. We have Benz, Lexus, Toyota, G-Wagon, anything you want. Just call my number and I'll deliver to you. Now,
打开后备箱。小米数据，对，iBoss 的卡，我也喜欢那个，那个是。
hello, here is original football jersey. Original football jersey, all available. As you can see, very, very original.
Yes.
We are into football jersey. So if you are interested in football jersey, we have all types of football jersey. Arsenal, Man U, everything. All original. Contact us today for all your types of football jersey. Thank you. Lekwa, anọ m n'ime ahịa ugbu a. Anọ m n'ime ahịa ugbu a. Biko nye m 1 hour. 1 hour. 你好。
How many kg?
4.5百。
啊
4.5百。
等一下。
Translate.
Now for the quality.
See the close up.
Different sizes, original quality. Show them everywhere. Different colors, different design, different sizes, anything you want. All this available. We are shipping this one today. Just these two.
师傅，你到那边要叫他开个单哦。